Hey guys! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the failed attestation status error in Call of Duty, Warzone. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure that TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are enabled on your PC. To check this, download and open the Attestation Security Wizard. Once it launches, verify that both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot are marked as enabled. If either one is disabled, you'll need to restart your PC, enter the BIOS, and enable it. After confirming that both features are enabled, right-click on your taskbar and open Task Manager. Go to the Services tab, click on any service, and press the C key on your keyboard until you find cod.broker.service. If the service is not running, right-click on it and select Start. Once it's running, leave it enabled and close Task Manager. Now, launch Call of Duty, Warzone again. If TPM 2.0, Secure Boot, and the cod.broker.service are all enabled and running correctly, the failed attestation status error should be fixed. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Call of Duty, Warzone failed attestation status error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.